If you want to translate something with camera on POCO F7 Pro, then first of all we're gonna go to the camera, and then in the top left corner you should be able to find this camera icon over here. This allows you to go to Google Lens, where we have the translate option. So we're gonna switch to translate. At the bottom over here we can either choose a language by ourselves, the source language, or we can let it detect by itself, and of course we need to select the target language as well. So now what we can do is we can simply put the object that we wish to translate in the camera, and then you can also either just hold it like this in order to get the real life translation, or you can take the picture as well in order to get the language. If you take the picture, then of course after that you can still change the language. So let's say we're gonna choose English, and there we go. As you can see, we have translation of a piece of paper that I have over here. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.